The Rah-66 Comanche, a state-of-the-art stealth reconnaissance and attack helicopter, was a project by the United States that ultimately failed due to a confluence of factors. Budget overruns, changing military needs, and rapid advancements in drone technology were key contributors to its demise. Initially designed during the Cold War, the Comanche became obsolete before it could fully materialize, leading to its cancellation in 2004. Despite its failure, the project provided valuable lessons for future military endeavors.